Stuffed crust air fryer breakfast triangles.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, I found this recipe on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description box to the gentleman's page. He has some really fun recipes on his Facebook page. Now you'll need 3 cheese sticks and you're going to roll them in the edges of your tortilla. If you use a large tortilla, you can use full-size cheese sticks, 3 of them. I'm using the small tortillas, so I had to cut my cheese sticks in half. And essentially all you do is roll it up along the edge, 3 of them to make a triangle shape. And then you secure the points of your triangle with a toothpick. And I added a little extra piece of cheese there because I had a gap. Now I decided to brush mine with a little bit of melted butter. I thought maybe it would crisp up the tortilla a little bit better if it had some butter on it. And let's be honest, butter does make everything better. And then you add your fillings. You can put whatever you want in these. I use a little bit of chopped cherry tomato, some chopped up baby spinach, some cooked and crumbled bacon pieces, and then finally the egg. Now, if you use the large tortillas, you should be able to fit 1 large scrambled egg in each of your triangles. I used about 1/2 to 3/4 in order to get it to fit. If you put too much egg, it's going to leak out the ends. Now these are meant to be baked in an air fryer, but I'm sure you could do these in the oven if you wanted to. I put mine in my air fryer, 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. At about 7-minute mark, I took it out to check them. You can see the egg wasn't quite done. I brushed a little bit more melted butter on it and continued to bake them until they were done and the egg was set in the center. And as you can see, they get a little bit brown on the bottom and on the edges. The cheese oozed out just a tiny bit and some of the egg as well. But this air fryer has a nonstick coating and it cleaned up like a charm. Now, the original poster of these called them pizza triangles or something to that effect. They're not. The only thing that makes me think of pizza is the fact that they're in triangle shapes. The cheese was just a tiny little bit on the edges, you can see there. And here's a cross section of them. You can see the cheese, it gets all melty, and then you can see the filling in the middle. These are fantastic warm, and they're actually pretty good cold if you wanted to throw them in the lunchbox and eat them later. You can vary the fillings any way you want. You can make these into true pizza triangles by putting pizza sauce and some pepperoni in there instead of the egg if you don't want to do a breakfast thing. And you can even make a taco version of these. I have quite a few great breakfast ideas on my channel. I put them in a playlist. If you're looking for something unusual or something a little bit different for your family breakfast or for a special breakfast or a brunch, check it out. And thank you so much for watching.